Hey everybody, this is Mr. Jaco here. Just going to do a quick tutorial about GIFs. And really what GIF stands for is just graphics interchange format. So it's a really fancy way to say just an animated video. And it's really useful in teaching because it enables you to project what you want to model without having to do it. And so as the teacher or educator, you're able to do something else that really is better with time on task. And just a quick example of what a GIF looks like. That is an example right here of skipping. Okay, and so I've slowed it down, and really, if that's what we're going to work on today, I want them to see that we're stepping with opposition when we do it. So let's go ahead and start the tutorial about how to create one. There's a lot of different apps out there. Really, the ones that I like, and the one in particular is what we're going to focus on today, is called GIF Toaster. It's free, which I really like, and it's very easy to use. The other one that has been brought to my attention is 5-second GIF, which is really good too. But we're going to specifically talk about GIF Toaster today. So if I clicked on GIF Toaster, all of the videos that are on my phone or on my iPad will come up. So I apologize. These are videos of my son. And there are definite, apps and things out there to do GIFs on your phone, or excuse me, on your laptop. But I really create mine with my phone or my iPad. So when I open the app, all my videos are here. I'm going to click on this one. Okay, this is my son when he was learning how to walk. So I click on that, and it now takes me to the video here. If I just want it as is and to play at regular speed, I could just click convert, and it would make the GIF for me. So if you want whatever skill you're doing at the speed that it is, then go right ahead and click convert. But I'm going to show you what it looks like if I were to keep scrolling down in this direction to see the other features with the GIFs. Okay. So if I scroll down, there's convert. It would be at the bottom of the last page. All this is just telling you the speed. So the range is, we know that there's 22 seconds. The playback speed, this is something that I use and fluctuate, because I might want them to see a skill at half speed, and so I would just shrink it down until it's 0.5. And you could kind of change that as you like. You want something really slow and move it down. Now the frames per second, I try not to mess with this too much because I like how the video is created with the frames at 9. But if I wanted something a little bit more choppy from like one movement to the next, I might lower the frame. Or if I wanted a lot more detail into each little movement, I would move it up. Okay? So that's what that does. If I keep going down, some other things, it has to do with resolution. So I don't touch the quarter size, but square crop, that's if you have a really wide frame and you're not using it. I would just flip this, and it automatically just kind of cuts it down to size for you. Fill, I leave that on for most of the time, and I believe if you square crop it, then fill automatically flips off. So if I keep scrolling down, some more features, reverse and yo-yo. This is great if you want to like have the GIF automatically rewind and to show students what it looks like in reverse. So these two features you can kind of fool around with and see if that is better for your students' learning. The effects, I think that kind of speaks for itself. I don't do the filter just because I like them to see the colors and everything as is. If I keep going down, this is really nice. This is what they've just kind of added recently, and enabling text. So if you want them to do things in a certain order, so you might say walk, skip, hop as like an instant activity, then you would obviously type that. But the other thing that I think is really important is for skill cues. So being able to make a GIF and add in the skill cues and have that constantly showing really kind of hammers that home, and it will definitely sink in with students. Okay, so now once you've tweaked all the features that you want, the speed, the text, everything, you would go ahead and click convert, and all of a sudden this kind of old school looking beach ball would pop up, and you'd see it go, 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 go. Once it gets to the end, it's then going to take you to what the GIF will look like, and it will have these three options. I click on view in full screen because I want to move it from my phone, and I don't want to keep all the storage on my phone or my iPad. So I click view in full screen, which then looks like this. And let me see if I can move. There we go. Move this down. So here's the icon that I want. So you'll be able to see the GIF and it'll play, but I want to be able to send this. So I'm going to click on that, and then it takes me to these features. I can airdrop it, message it, email it, and that's really what I do. Is I want to house it on my drive, my Google Drive. So I mail it, and then from my mail I can just pull it and drag it into Google Slides and make presentations. Now I mean, if you want to text these GIFs to another teacher and say, hey, look, this is what we did, then that's another option you could do. Saving images, if you wanted to keep those on your phone, but like I said, I really like putting it to my Google Drive. That way it doesn't take up all the storage on my phone. Hopefully this tutorial provided you with a little basic how to make a GIF and really what to do with it. On our SB chat for February 7th, 2017, we're going to be talking about what a GIF is, how to make one, and really the different ways that other teachers use it. So being able to share these things with each other is really important in making our students grow. So hopefully, again, this helped you, and I will see you on the next video. Thanks.